Alright, so I recently concluded a research I was doing for a subject for my PhD, no? And it talked about preferences of musicians, no? Whether they would want to teach or they would want to perform, and what uh, factors affected this choice, no? Of course, as a musician, gusto mo naman talaga mag-perform, no? Teaching and performing goes hand in hand. But sometimes you have to choose one over the other, no? One offers more stability, one offers more creative freedom, the other can earn you more uh, for the time you spend on it. So maraming factors, no? But one thing's for sure, no, if you're a musician, is that most of the time, the decisions that we take, yun yung nakita ko sa research ko, is that you always work with passion. You always give your best. Kahit performer ka, kahit pinili mo maging teacher, you are always in the spirit of service, no? And that's really a good thing that I saw, kasi walang pinagkaiba kung ano man yung ginagawa mo. No, a lot of those people I surveyed, no, professionals, they really give their all. Yun yung importante. And whatever track you wish to follow or you want to go through, kung gusto mo maging magaling na performer, concert artist, gusto mo maging magaling na wedding musician, gusto mong maging magaling na teacher, gusto mong magaling na professor, na mentor, one thing's for sure, you have to have that passion. You have to be able to serve others. And that's what music is about, diba? It's about not just serving yourself, because your performance, the way you teach, the way you transfer knowledge, it's all about service to others, no? And I think kung lahat ng musiko ganun mag-isip, magiging mas madali ang trabaho, magiging mas madali ang pakikisama, magiging mas maganda yung environment natin. No, not saying it's bad right now, but you know, everything could still be for the better, 'di ba? So if you are an aspiring student, aspiring musician, no, kung ano mang field yung gusto mong pasukin, always think of the people around you, siguro. Yun yung best na pwede nating i-advise. If you want to succeed in any field, 'di ba? You have to serve. You have to be able to serve. And in order to serve others, you must improve yourself, 'di ba? Mag-improve ka din sa sarili mo, kasi you can only give what you have, and if you don't have as much, wala rin. Sayang din yung effort. That's why a lot of mentors succeed, because they are able to give their all sa kanilang mga students. Lahat ng alam nila, 'di ba, binibigay nila. Those are the great mentors. Hindi sila madamot sa mga technique, hindi sila madamot sa diskarte. And also the performers, no? Kung isang magaling na performer ka, isang magaling na musician ka, you always give the audience what they want. You never perform half-baked, no? Especially sa mga students dyan, no? Kapag nag-perform kayo, whether that's in a concert hall, whether sa church, whether sa, sa mga basketball court ba yan, or sa bahay lang, 'di ba? You always want to give your best, because you are serving others. Music is service, no? Hindi natin maaalis 'yan. And if you don't take it as it is, mahihirapan ka mag-adjust. So again, whatever you want to do, if you're passionate about it, learn to serve others by also serving yourself, no? Be the best version of yourself, so you can share it with the people around you. Share it with the people you love, the people who needs it, 'di ba? Ang laging example sa conservatory before was, every time you perform, no, hindi mo alam kung anong epekto ng ginagawa mo sa tao na nanonood sa iyo, even if you don't know them, 'di ba? Within the concert hall, within a small venue, your music can change their life. And I think you should hold it as a high regard kung gusto mo maging successful dito, no? Not just as a teacher, not just as a mentor, but as a musician and as a person in your life. Sana nakatulong to, no? If you did, comment down below. I'll see you on the next one and good luck sa inyo.